So PINTEC is a fintech company that is a B2B fintech company. So we are providing fintech solutions to institutional clients. So PINTEC has two major arms of business. One is called 读秒. In Chinese, it's literally called counting seconds. Yeah, it means fast. The other is POLARIS. So 读秒 focus on digital lending. So it provides digital lending solutions for our institutional clients, profiling, credit decisions, etc., etc. And the POLARIS is doing robo-advisory. So it means we have a customer, you again profile an investor, and you provide the right asset allocation for that investor. You look after the portfolio for that investor and do the adjustment at the right time for that investors. So our target customers, financial institutions, right, banks, security firms, insurance companies, and also some internet companies who wish to venture into finance world to provide financial solutions for their customers, since the customers already shop on their website, so why not provide more services? So these are some of the customers as well. And so the entire group has the strategy called Powered by PINTEC. So we want to empower our institutional clients to have more capability to serve the client's financial needs. So, and why do we have these two arms of business? Because we believe in the entire life cycle of an individual. He either borrow or invest. So we want to have both technology be very ready and to serve our institutional clients. We want to help institutions to have a high ground of service level in terms of advisory, financial services, wealth management services. And we believe that wealth management market will be a very divided market. It's not like other market that you might consolidate and you have a big giant controlling, because people's trust lies with different people. It's very difficult for one single company to own everybody's trust, that they were willing to put money with you for you to manage, right? And so if you look at the US market, the IFA's independent financial advisors is controlling 70% of the wealth management market shares. Are they doing worse than banks like Citi or Goldman Sachs, or better than Citi and Goldman Sachs? May not be necessary, but they're close to the customer, they know the customer, so they provide, the customer think they provide better fit services. So we think the wealth management market will be the same. Many institutions will serve different segments of customers in different cities, provinces, and regions with different product. But they have a unified, standardized service level that we hope to achieve. And the principle is the same. One, asset allocation, very diversified asset allocation. Number two, the asset allocation according to your personal needs. Everybody has a different asset allocation because you have a different financial needs. So these can be standardized by technology services. And this is our long-term vision. We want to have that engine. And the entire PINTEC is working towards that. If you compare our vision versus, let's say, Intel. Intel don't really care what kind of PC you build. He cares that you use their chips. Right? We want to be that chips in terms of financial market. You serve different segments of customers, you have your pricing strategy, your business model, but the underlying chip, the financial heart, we provide that. You're using our services. By working with our institutional client, it's actually make our life easier than B2C companies. Because for B2C, when you go to that market, you need to understand the market yourself. But when you go to that market and you work with our institutional partners, they will first tell you their needs, right? Oh, our market, the clients are either internet savvy or not internet savvy, right? We don't have many salespeople, or we have a huge group of salespeople serving the clients, right? We intend to use a pure technology solution, or we want to use a technology plus a branch solution. So your clients will kind of have some thought already, how they want to deploy the technology, how the business models look like, oh, we want a pure mutual fund portfolio. We want a mutual fund plus insurance product portfolio. So they will give you some ideas, which we suppose is most tailored to the local market, most tailored to the local regulation. And then we work with the partners to build that and make that into reality.